Talking with the nutrition and fitness expert JJ Virgin, let's talk about obesity. Why is that such a problem and become a bigger problem in the last decade plus?
Because the approach to it's all wrong.
Okay.
There are a variety of reasons, but the biggest reason that everyone thinks is not really the reason, and that is the whole idea that we're eating the wrong things, eating too much, not exercising enough. And in fact, if you look at the statistics, we're actually not eating more and we aren't exercising less. So there's clearly other stuff going on.
Are we eating the wrong things though?
Well, I mean, overall, are we eating the wrong things? Yes, we're not making great choices, and food is information. So when you're eating things, it's not a matter of just calories. Calories do count, but where they come from counts more. So choosing things with damaged fats and high fructose corn syrup and lots of refined carbs and artificial sweeteners, which are the devil, yes, they all cause a problem. But that, I think, when we start to focus on this bank account model of weight loss, of calories in, calories out, exercise and diet, those are important. They're important for health, longevity. But if we focus too much there, we miss all of these reasons that really people are obese. I mean, we know 40 to 70% of obesity is heritable. Things you get from your folks. So, there's more to it. Our body's a chemistry lab. So not only do you have the genetics, we call it your history book, that's going to impact everything from your taste, your nutritional gatekeeper, those choices you're going to make with food, to your appetite, to how much you want to snack, to how fast your metabolism is, to whether you're going to regain weight or not. You also have this whole metabolic issue, things that you can damage through environment, like stress causing you to have gut bacterial overgrowth, which causes you to extract more calories from the foods you eat and store them as fat. Stress lowering serotonin, causing you to crave more carbohydrates. Stress making your gut leaky so that you can have more food sensitivities that you then react to and then crave. Sleep causing, the number one thing I tell people for weight loss is to sleep more.
Okay. And you follow
And I'm
that,
not a
clearly.
good role model today, but most times, no, I am. I'm like the sleep person, so I won't schedule things too early. I don't schedule early flights, but every once in a while, hey,
But the sleep helps take care of the stress.
Well, poor sleep's a form of stress, but one poor night of sleep, that's 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep during the normal circadian rhythm, which will be different for people. There's a wide circadian rhythm, but now we know with clock genes that some people are early birds, I am, and some people are night owls. But it's basically 7 to 9 hours. There's that very teeny weeny part of the population that might need the 4 to 5 hours. And I always tell clients, it's not you. It's like, 1 in 1,000, it's not you. One poor night of sleep, higher ghrelin, you're hungrier. More insulin and leptin resistant, you're better at storing fat, and you can't burn it off as well. You're also going to be hungrier. Higher cortisol, more fat storage around the waistline, lower serotonin, more sugar cravings. You just look at it, it's like this hormonal hell that you're thrown into that just makes you hungry, tired, crave carbohydrates. And it starts a very vicious cycle, because once you do that, you're going to want more coffee, and you're in line at Starbucks, and there's all those trigger foods. And if you've got any kind of a genetic increased food desire or a sweet tooth, you're done.